Hey, I am making a 2D platformer. Yes, you heard me right. Another.
Oh fuck, what am I doing? What am I doing?
But mine is a literal platformer. Or maybe we can say it has literal platforms. Let me explain how. So, in this game, there is a platform and a ball. The ball bounces on the platform, and with each bounce, the color of the platform alternates between red and green. In a level, there will be multiple platforms, and your goal? Turn them all green, one bounce at a time. Oh, and you are being timed as well, because everyone likes the pressure. Am I right? Once everything is green, boom, level completed. And then you get a leaderboard. It shows your rank, percentile, and completion time. So you can see exactly how you stack up against everyone else. But the game's not just about bouncing. There are different kinds of platforms as well. As you have already seen, the normal one, some that launches you sideways, some are not very friendly, some which can be quite sticky, and some give you powers, like this one. Now the ball can dash. This is how it all started. Just an empty project. And to be honest, blank projects are the scariest thing. You have no idea what your next step is or how it's all going to come together. Oh, and yeah, if you haven't noticed, I am using Godot. Now, some of you might say Godot is the third best engine. But to me, Godot is something special. I mean, I truly love her. First, using some basic code, I made a simple setup where the ball just keeps jumping on a single platform. Then, I added left and right controls and placed a few platforms so you can actually move the ball. After that, I implemented the core mechanic where each platform changes color when the ball jumps on it. Right now, the ball movement looks really floaty. To fix that, I used a trick that's super common in platformer games. It's called variable gravity. It means applying less gravity when the player is rising and more gravity when falling. This simple change makes the jump feel way more responsive and satisfying. Now I am making the platform's behavior modular using components built with custom Godot resources. I grab these behavior blocks from components, drop them into platform behavior, and the output window instantly shows the change. By combining different components, I can create bunch of unique platform types. And if I add the Sue component, I get this. Now you might be wondering, what's the redirect system component? The redirect component changes how a platform interacts with the ball. It doesn't just bounce it, rather, send it exactly where I want. Here, the ball lands on the redirect platform. At that moment, it calculates the exact velocity needed in both x and y direction to send the ball to the target platform. And then it launches itself along the path. This can make these kinds of jumps a lot easier, or in the next case, way more satisfying. Before using the redirect component, landing from A to C via B was not possible. But after adding the redirect component to platform B, the ball now gets sent perfectly from A to C. It feels like the player pulled off the jump all on their own. In reality, the system is secretly helping in the background. But right now, the game looks really bland. So I decided to add some juice into it. The first thing I added was the rotation. The ball now spins when it bounces off the platform. I also gave the ball a random texture. Next, I added squash and stretch. If you don't know, that's an animation principle that makes movement looks more lively and less rigid. And here's how it looks. Oh wait, wrong clip. Okay, now there you go. A little bit of squash and stretch. After that, I added a static background, some particle effects, a trail behind the ball, and even a small bit of screen shape. And now, even without a complete gameplay loop, the game and its movement already feels pretty fun to play. And by the way, all these textures are just a placeholder. I haven't even decided on a final art style yet. So if you've got any cool ideas, drop them in the comments. Alright, so here's a quick look at how far the prototype has come. So this is it. Thank you for sticking till the end, and see you in the next devlog.